Welcome to Melodies of Flavors, where we share delicious recipes from around the world. Today, we're making Armenian yogurt soup, a creamy and comforting dish perfect for any season. For the full list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions, check the description below. Let's get cooking. First, take 3 cups of yogurt, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix them all together until the mixture is smooth and even. This is the base of our soup. Next, add 2.5 cups of water to the yogurt mixture and mix well. This will thin the yogurt, making it the perfect consistency for our soup. Now it's time to cook. Put the mixture on the stove and stir it constantly. Keep stirring until it starts to boil. This step is crucial to prevent the yogurt from curdling. When the mixture is warm and just about to boil, add half a cup of rice. Continue stirring to keep the yogurt smooth. If you stop stirring, the yogurt might curdle, and we don't want that. Once the mixture begins to boil, it's time to add our greens. Add half a cup each of chopped spinach and dried parsley, along with 1 crushed garlic clove. Stir them in. Then, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of dried mint into the pot. After this, you don't need to stir as much. Just give it a gentle mix. Cover the pot and let it simmer. Wait until the rice and vegetables are fully cooked and soft. This will take a few minutes. To finish, season the soup with salt and pepper according to your taste. Give it a final stir and it's ready to serve. And there you have it, a delicious Armenian yogurt soup that's sure to please anyone. Before you go, remember to hit the subscribe button and give us a like. Your support helps us bring more recipes like this to you. We love sharing our cooking adventures, and your likes and subscriptions mean we can keep doing what we love. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon on Melodies of Flavors.